One of the greatest additions to Windows 10 is basically a general friendliness to pen input. So Microsoft tried a long time ago to introduce tablet PCs to kind of make using a digital pen, basically to try and bring that to the market, and it largely flopped. However, with Windows 10, Microsoft is again making a push for this with devices like the Surface Pro 3, and soon to be announced at the filming of this video is the Surface Pro 4, which will also no doubt feature a great pen. There is an inking experience built right into Microsoft Edge. Whether this is useful to you or not kind of depends on what type of business you do. However, it can be useful if you are, especially in the web business. So let me just go ahead and navigate to a page where this markup will work. So in the top right corner over here, you have this make a web note feature. So if I go ahead and tap on that, it basically turns this into what looks like a OneNote page. So this is still scrollable. You still have access to the entire page, although all the links are dead. So you can't click any of the links. You notice that pictures and things like that are no longer loading up. This is not being scrolled through. So essentially it's taken a screenshot of this entire page. And now perhaps you are someone who owns a website or you work on websites for a client and you want to show them something in particular. This is a great way to do it. So you can capture the entire website, the entire page, and then you have all these editing tools up here. So you can do something like add a comment. You can clip out a specific region if you would like to. Let me go back into the editing mode here. You have a pen with different modes, different colors, different sizes, a highlighter as well. So let me just go ahead and draw on here just so you can see kind of what this looks like. Let's use red. So let's say I wanted to show someone, you know what, I don't like this image right here. This is bad. So we could easily just kind of mark that up and say this is no good. Could point something else out, make this bigger. So whatever it is, this is a very useful feature for certain industries. Now, obviously not in every industry, but it could be useful in a lot of different areas. Virtually every company, of course, does have a website. So at some point, someone's going to need to be taking a look at that. And you may need to speak to a developer about your website, even if you don't personally work on it. So this could be a very useful feature for that. Now, once you have finished marking up the page, all you have to do is say save. So you can save the web note, and then you can also share it immediately from here. So you can share it with Mail, you can share it with OneNote. Different apps that you may also have installed may also give you that option. So I have Tweetium here, so I could tweet this web page out. But probably most useful would be Mail and OneNote.